Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix your Samsung monitor if you got no sounds. So basically, if you're experiencing no sound from your Samsung monitor, you want to start by checking the basic settings like the volume level and mute status on both the monitor and the connected device. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply check basic settings, which is the monitor volume. Now to do this, you just want to navigate through your on-screen display or OSD for your monitor. Now I won't be able to go ahead and record my OSD, but here's some photos. Just go ahead and access it from your monitor buttons, and from there you simply want to look for the volume settings. After adjusting and making sure that the volume is enabled, you then want to go ahead and verify that the volume on the device connected to the monitor, for example computer, game console, is turned up and not muted. So just click on your volume right here and you want to make sure that the volume is turned up, not muted. The next thing that we have to do is to simply check the output device. So in my computer, my output is going to be the main speaker, but for yours, you just want to go ahead and look for your monitor. In my case, I'm using the 24E3 right here, so just click on this specific button, and from there, we then have successfully changed the output into this specific speaker. Now, if this doesn't work, you then have to check your connections. For example, your cable connections, the cable integrity, and the source selection. If your monitor has multiple inputs, you want to make sure that the correct source is enabled in the monitor's OSD menu. Now, from there, you just want to go ahead and restart your computer to make sure that it doesn't carry any minor bugs and glitches, and making sure that everything works perfectly. Now, as a last resort, you want to test with another device. So just simply connect your monitor to another device, making sure that the problem isn't within the monitor but on the computer itself. And from there, you also want to test another monitor if you have to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.